The Department of Labor and Employment, or DOLE, has welcomed President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s proposal to raise the income tax exemption threshold to provide greater relief to Filipino middle-income earners. The agency is also backing other proposals aimed at easing the burden on small businesses and taxpayers. IBC News correspondent Cristal Ramizares has more.
Hindi natin kaliligtaan ang ating mga manggagawang Pilipino, lalo na ang mga middle class, pati na ang mga maliliit na negosyo.
President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. made clear how the Middle East crisis also affected Filipinos that fall under the middle class category. Hence, in his fifth State of the Nation address, the president aims to include above minimum wage earners to those exempted in paying income taxes. The current tax reform for acceleration and inclusion or TRAIN law only exempts individuals who earns not more than 250,000 pesos annually. The president is urging Congress to expand the exemption threshold to 350,000 pesos yearly.
Dagdagan natin ang mga manggagawang malilibre sa buwis sa kanilang kita. Isasama na natin ang mga kumikita ng hindi lalagpas sa 350,000 pesos kada taon.
The Department of Labor and Employment supports the president's initiative, saying more Filipino workers across the country will benefit from it. This also means that more of each paycheck may stay in the hands of middle-class workers. But to make this possible, DOLE chief said amendments to the National Internal Revenue Code are needed. Under the current Corporate Recovery and Tax Incentives for Enterprises Act, the minimum corporate income tax of a business entity is 2% of its gross income in a year. To help small business owners, the president also seeks to eliminate these taxes.
Ang mga maliliit na negosyo ay hindi napapatawan ng minimum corporate income tax.
He likewise proposed a tax amnesty to provide relief to ease the burden of taxpayers amid the rising cost of living.
Para mapanatag ang loob ng taong bayan, ang pagbigay ng amnesty para sa mga hindi nabayarang buwis tulad ng income tax, estate at donors tax at value-added tax. Kasama na rin dyan ang mga multa na kaakibat ng mga ito.
The president emphasized in his SONA that these tax relief measures aim to promote growth and socio-economic sustainability among taxpayers. Cristal Ramizares, IBC News.